What should you avoid cleaning with a steam cleaner? Now, believe it or not, some surfaces in your home can be permanently damaged by heat and moisture from steam cleaning. Let's dive into the 5 key things you should never steam clean and why. Now, first up, we've got delicate fabrics like silk and velvet. Now, while these materials may look luxurious, they are no match for steam cleaning. Now, both of these fabrics can be damaged from the high heat of steam cleaning, causing them to shrink and discolor. And it's not just fabrics. Leather furniture, accessories, even clothing are also off limits, as steam strips the essential oils from the leather, leaving them dry, cracked and discolored. So stick to specialized cleaners for these materials. Next, we have natural stones like marble and granite. Now, while they're stunning, they are highly vulnerable when using a steam cleaner. The heat and the moisture can cause spalling, where the stone surfaces start to flake or warp, and they can also start stripping away the protective sealants. Next, we have wooden flooring. Now, before you start commenting, hear me out. Because steam cleaning is not suitable for unwaxed and unsealed wooden flooring, as the high heat and the moisture can penetrate the wood, leading to warping and swelling. Instead, opt for a wood-safe cleaner and a damp microfiber mop to keep your floors clean and damage-free. Now, electricals. Now, avoid using steam on any electrical outlets, switches and any appliances that are plugged in. Pressurized steam can lead to moisture buildup, heat damage, short circuits and condensation inside electrical components. Brands like Samsung often warn against steam cleaning in their manuals, so always check your appliances guidelines before using steam. Now, avoid steam cleaning water-based painted surfaces like walls or furniture, as the steam will weaken the paint adhesive, causing it to bubble, peel or even fade. Now, flat or matte finishes are especially vulnerable. Instead, use a damp microfiber cloth or a mop with a mild detergent, or try part water to vinegar solution, testing it in an area which is not visible first. Now that you know what not to steam clean, check out my next video on oven cleaning with a handheld steamer, or 13 things to clean in the home with a steam cleaner.